to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'll bring you the Apple AirPods Pro, a much needed upgrade, and a very nice gift from my girlfriend. Let's take a look at them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. As you guys see that I am getting advertisements in front of my videos, but I'm not monetized yet. Before we pop these open, just keep in mind that these were released almost 2 years ago. They were released in October of 2019, yet they can still be found for the same price of $249.99. Although they do go on sale from time to time. You can find them at Target, you can find them at Walmart, you can find them at Best Buy for a little bit cheaper. You guys already know, as always, Apple has superb packaging. Let's go ahead and pop it open. And like I said earlier, Apple always has really nice packaging, as you can see at the top. Well, you probably might not be able to see it, but you can feel the outline of the product up at the top of the box, which is very nice attention to detail. Let's go ahead and pop the box open. Inside, of course, we got paperwork, a quick start guide to get yourself familiarized, terms and conditions, and hopefully our Apple sticker. I don't see our Apple sticker. Where's our Apple sticker? Do these not come with Apple stickers anymore? Okay, well, we'll look at it shortly. Here's the AirPods Pro case itself. The good thing is that now wireless charging is built in. It is now a given instead of a splurge or having an upgrade on it. And finally, the AirPods Pro themselves. Very, very nice, a complete redesign. They still have the same two microphones, an outward facing and an inward facing, and it still has an accelerometer along with some other sensors, and it still has the very same H1 chip, which should help with mobile pairing and should help make transitions between phone calls and between programs a lot faster, and apparently it should have way less latency. Let's go ahead and continue looking at the contents of our box. At the very bottom, what is this? Oh, here are the different earbud sizes for you to go ahead and pick one out so that you can adjust it better to your ear, and it can fit your ear a lot better and provide you way better sound than what it is if you don't put them in there. Also in the box, we got a Lightning to Type-C cable. No one's really gonna use this unless they use it with their MacBook. I mean, I know I don't. Let's go ahead and put our contents of the box back together. Or I think I went like this. There we go. But it looks like we didn't get an Apple sticker. I could have sworn that you got an Apple sticker with this, but I guess that you don't. $250 and no Apple sticker. That's kind of crappy. As you guys can see, I'm very disappointed by the lack of an Apple sticker. So as stated earlier today, a lot of the things are being kept the same. We still have Bluetooth 5.0. We still have, the same H1 chip, the same accelerometer. I'm trying to think what else do we have. The main thing with these is that they now have a sound isolation or active noise cancellation mode in addition to having a transparency mode. Now what the transparency mode is going to allow you to do is going to allow you to be able to hear the outside as if the headphones weren't even there. I've used them in transparency mode. To be honest with you, it's okay. It's not the best thing in the world. It does allow you to listen to conversations. Especially if you don't want people to think that you're listening, you can go ahead and turn on active or transparency mode, and that way you can, listen to conversations that you wouldn't otherwise be able to. But other than that, it sounds fairly digitized. It sounds, it doesn't sound very good. That's not to say it sounds bad, but I might as well go ahead and take off the earphones at that point, But the one true shiny feature in this thing, in my opinion, would have to be, again, active noise blocking or active noise canceling. It is so amazingly good. Back at home, I have we have a window unit, we have an AC window unit, and that thing was just going last night, and with these on, you can't hear it. It's as if it wasn't even there. It really blocks out the sound, and it's really good. Your ignoring game has definitely been stepped up. You're going to be able to block out all sorts of noises and sounds of these. They're just so good when it comes to noise isolation. That's about it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment any other topics or any other items you'd like for me to cover. And as always, thanks for watching.